The gas locker is located within the camper van, below the sink in a cupboard clearly labelled with a red LPG sticker. The gas is turned on by rotating the brass valve on top of the bottle in an anti-clockwise direction. You can leave the gas on the whole time you are pitched. Rotate the valve in a clockwise direction to turn the gas off. Should the gas run out, you'll need to change over the bottles. Ensure that the gas has been turned off. Undo the coupling, rotating in a clockwise direction. Loosen the strap and replace the bottle with the spare. Retighten the strap to keep the bottle in place. Insert the coupling and tighten in an anti-clockwise direction. You must always make sure that the gas has been turned off before driving the camper van.